Welcome back to Financial Step. In this video, we're going to be going over everything you need to know on how to start a Shopify dropshipping store. If you guys are excited for this video, drop a like on it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Financial Step YouTube channel. And without further ado, let's get into it, guys. So, to start a Shopify dropshipping store, we first of all have to know what a Shopify dropshipping store is. Because I know a lot of people don't actually know about dropshipping and they don't know how you can make some money doing it. So, I want to explain really quickly, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is when you take an item from somewhere else, a different market. Okay, let's talk about, we're going to buy from AliExpress. Okay, we're going to buy some shoes from AliExpress. We're going to take those shoes, we're going to put it on our own website, and we're going to sell it on our website. Okay, so once that customer comes to our website, buys it from our website, we then take the shoes from the other website and we buy them, but we enter the customer's address who bought it on our site, and that ships it over to them. Okay, so we don't ever see the product. We don't ever get the product. We don't ever hold the product. None of that. So we just get profit and boom, that's it. Literally, that is literally it. It's so simple. And I wanted to show you guys how you can do this with Shopify. Shopify is a store making site where you can make different stores online and make them look amazing for literally free. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now. So what you're going to do is come right over here to Google. You're going to search up Shopify, just like this, guys. And what you're going to do is click this this one right here, Shopify.com. And once you're on this page right here, what you are going to do. So you're going to come here to Shopify.com. You're going to come here to start free trial. And this is actually going to start a 14-day free trial of Shopify for you guys. All you got to do is enter an email, password, and your store name, and that is literally it. You get 14 days of free Shopify, and you can actually dropship for these 14 days, make some money, so that way you can actually pay for the full version of Shopify once that time comes. So it's super simple, it's super easy. Just enter your email, password, and your store name, and that's literally it. You can get that 14-day free trial of Shopify dropshipping. Now, I'm not going to show you guys what to make. I'm not going to show you guys how you're going to make the store or what templates you should use. That's on your guys' own time to find ones that you like and all that stuff. But you're going to come here, create the Shopify free trial. You're then going to come over here to Shopify, and you are going to search for AliExpress. Okay, AliExpress, just like this. And what you're going to do is click the first link right here. AliExpress is a sort of like a shop like Wish, if you've ever heard of that, where you can get things for pretty much cheap. So let's go ahead and say we wanted sticky balls. These were very popular, where you like throw them onto the roof and they drop back down. These are really good. So as right here, you could get these for literally $2.50 for, it looks like a 4-piece. Yeah, 4-piece. So you can get this for $2.50, but you can actually put this on your website, on your Shopify website, and you can sell these for about $5, maybe even more. It really depends on what you want to sell it for, but $5 seems reasonable because once you get $5, you're actually legitimately getting a profit here. So once again, you're selling them for $5, but you're buying them for $2.50. So essentially, you're making about $1.50, $2 profit from just doing this. Super simple, super easy, right? Hopefully you guys are with me so far. This is so easy and simple, and you can literally do this to make some money with Shopify dropshipping. And you can do this on eBay as well. If you guys want me to make a whole separate video on how to do eBay dropshipping, let me know right now. But once again, you're going to do this 14-day free trial here where you got to enter your email, password, and store name. That's it. And you can start your Shopify store. You're then going to go over here to AliExpress.com, and you're going to find any item that's selling. Okay, you want to do trending items, so not items that aren't selling, so items that are lame and no one wants to buy. You want to do items that are trending right now. That means they're selling 100% of the time. And you're going to go ahead and take this item, and you're going to place it right here on your store. Once they buy it, you're going to come over here to AliExpress, click on the item you're selling from, which is this one right here, $2.50, and you are going to enter their address. So they're going to put their address on your site, on the Shopify site, and you're going to enter their address on the AliExpress site, okay? And it will ship to them, and you literally didn't do anything. Like, you literally just sold an item without ever seeing the item or without ever shipping the item. You just get free profit, dude. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go down below, drop a like, and subscribe with notifications on. Thank you so much. Thank you, 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 and I will see you in the next one, guys. See you in the next one. See you in the next one. Peace out.